Imagine writing a program once and using it thousands of times without rewriting the same code again and again. In this video, you will learn one of the most important concepts in Python, functions and modules. And by the end of this video, you will be able to create your own functions, return values from functions, and use Python's built-in modules like a professional developer. Let's see how all of this work. Before we jump in, a quick thing. If your goal is to become genuinely good at Python, not just memorize syntax, but actually learn how to think like a programmer, then make sure you are subscribed to Pythonic Thinking. Every week I publish beginner-friendly Python lessons, tricky coding challenges, real-world projects, and problem-solving techniques that help you to become a better developer step by step. And if you don't want to miss future lessons in this complete Python series, click the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon right now. That's way YouTube will notify you. Most beginners write code like this, and initially it seems fine. But imagine your application has 10,000 users. Will you write 10,000 print statement? Absolutely not. This is where functions come in. Functions help us to write once and reuse it whenever needed. Now let's imagine another program. Suppose you need mathematical operations like square root, trigonometry, logarithms, and hundred of other features. Would you write them from scratch? Again, no. Python already provides them through modules. Functions save time, modules save even more time. Let's understand both concepts properly. What is function? Think of a function as vending machine. You insert an input, the machine performs some work, it gives you an output. Input, function, output. Example: ATM machine, coffee machine, calculator. Functions work exactly the same way. They take input, process it, return output. What is module? Think of a module as a toolbox. A toolbox contains many tools. Similarly, a Python module contains many functions. Maths module contains square root function, sine function, cos function, pi function. Instead of building everything yourself, you simply use the tool already available. Professional developers do this every day. Let's create a simple function. Def greet colon print hello, welcome to Python program. Now let's call it. Notice something interesting? Creating the function doesn't execute it. The function only runs when we call it. Let's make a mistake here. Python expect indentation. Function always require an indented block. Now let's fix this. Now see, problem is solved. Now let's make our function more smarter. Def greet name printf hello, now name. Pause the video. What will happen if I write greet Akash? The same function works for everyone. That's the power of parameters. Most useful functions return something. Example: def add a comma b, return a plus b. Now calling it return send a value back to the caller. Think of it as a delivering the final answer. Now challenge time. Predict the output of this function. Did you get it right? Write yes in the comment if you did. Importing module. Now let's use a module. import math. The math module is now available. Let's calculate a square root. Print math.square of this 16. Let's take 16. The output is 4. Amazing. Without writing a square root algorithm ourselves. Now, import specific function. Instead of importing the whole toolbox, we can import only required tools. Let's see this. From maths, import square root and pi. Now we can write print the square root of 25 and much cleaner. Now let's see how professionals use function. Imagine you are building an e-commerce website. Ref calculate discount price. This function can be reused for every product thousands of times without rewriting code. Modules are used every day. Example, maths module calculation, OS module file management, date time module, date and time, random module, games and simulation. Professional software engineers rarely build everything from scratch. They combine functions and modules to create powerful applications quickly. Today, you'll learn 3 important things: how to create function, how to pass parameter and return value, how to use Python module. Now, a quick question for you. If you could automate one thing in your daily life using Python function, what would it be? Tell me in the comments, and if the video helped you to understand function better, liking this video tells YouTube to recommend Python education to more learners. In the next video, we are going to learn file handling in Python and build programs that can read and write real files automatically. I'll see you there.